Grafting and changing varieties of fruit trees in an orchard can enhance the diversity and productivity of the trees. This technique allows you to grow multiple fruit varieties in a single tree or replace an existing variety with a more desirable one. Here's a comprehensive guide on grafting and changing varieties of fruit trees. Types of grafting. Cleft grafting, used for changing the variety of an entire tree. Bark grafting, ideal for larger trees or branches. Whip and ton grafting, commonly used for smaller trees and branches. Bud grafting, suitable for adding new varieties to younger trees. Materials needed. Pruning shears, grafting tape or rubber bands, grafting wax or parafoam. Steps for grafting and changing varieties. 1. Select the sawn and rootstock. Choose healthy sawn wood with mature buds from the desired variety. Select a compatible rootstock or existing tree. Sanitize tools. Sanitize your knife and pruning shears with a sanitizing solution to prevent disease spread. Prepare the tree. Prune the existing tree or rootstock to create a suitable grafting site. Make clean cuts to ensure good contact between the sawn and rootstock. Grafting techniques. Cleft grafting. Make a vertical cut in the rootstock or branch. Insert the sawn into the cleft, ensuring the cambium layers align. Bark grafting. Make vertical incisions in the bark. Insert the sawn under the bark flaps, ensuring good cambium contact. Whip and ton grafting. Make matching cuts on the sawn and rootstock, creating a tongue for a snug fit. Join the sawn and rootstock, ensuring cambium alignment. Bud grafting. Make a T-shaped cut in the bark of the rootstock. Insert the bud shield into the cut, ensuring cambium contact. Secure the graft. Wrap the graft site with grafting tape or rubber bands to hold the sawn in place. Use grafting wax or parafoam to seal the graft and prevent moisture loss. Care for the graft. Keep the graft site moist but not waterlogged. Remove any shoots that develop below the graft to ensure all the rootstock's energy goes to the new sawn. Tips for successful grafting. Timing. Perform grafting in early spring or late winter when the trees are dormant. Compatibility. Use compatible rootstock and sawn varieties for better success. Healthy material. Use disease-free and healthy sawn wood and rootstock. Proper alignment. Ensure the cambium layers of the sawn and rootstock align for successful grafting. Patience. Regular monitoring and proper post-grafting care are crucial for success.